Hello and welcome. This is Explain That and this is how to remove your business from your Google Maps. So go to your browser, make sure that you're logged into your Google Maps. So you can see that you're logged in if you see your profile icon at the top right corner of the browser of Google Maps. So after that, just tap on it and then tap on the manage your Google account. So after that, there should be a search icon there. Just tap on it and then search on business. So after tapping on it, there should be a business and personalization here or business features. Just go to the manage your business. So after clicking on it, it should show you your created business. So just tap on the three dots besides it, and you'll be able to see there the edit or the business profile settings. So you just gotta click on the remove business profile and then remove profile content and managers. So you just got to continue this, or you have a choice also to download it first before going to delete it out completely. So after that, it's just going to work it just like that. That's about it.